feeling like the season too? You had the hat, the scarf.
Yeah, it was cold out there.
Yeah,
it was cold. The Grinch showed up, almost tried to ruin it for everybody.
How about it?
We banished him from the stage, so we managed to save Christmas after all.
Good.
Well done.
Yeah, it was a nice night for that. It was cold, it was blustery, but a lot of people came out. They were just bundled up, and that'll be the case tomorrow as well. Tomorrow you want the full winter artillery. It is going to be a cold, blustery day. If you think today was cold and blustery, it was. Tomorrow is colder and more blustery. So let's get right into it. We'll take a look outside, and I want to take you out to, this is the Parkway right outside the Academy of Natural Sciences. You can see a few dinosaurs there shadowed on the building if you look closely. What I want to draw your attention to is the flag flying in the breeze there right in front of the Academy. It is a blustery night. The flags all along the Parkway catching the wind over the next couple of days, and they will be in a frenzy tomorrow as winds continue to accelerate. Peak wind gusts earlier today, 36 miles an hour in the city, 45 miles an hour in Atlantic City, 39-mile-per-hour wind gusts there in Lancaster. Now, winds are not as strong right now. Still sustained winds at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, 17 miles an hour in Philadelphia, gusts over 20 miles an hour possible overnight. But then tomorrow, the winds really pick up again. And you can see with those winds coming in over the Great Lakes, the waters of the Great Lakes are comparatively warm compared to the cold winds blowing over them. And what that does is create lake effect snow. So we've got snow breaking out all across much of New York State, western Pennsylvania, and into Ohio as well. And this cold drops all the way down the East Coast. It's in the 20s in Atlanta. It's very cold in Florida even as well. And we are feeling the worst of the wind here in Philadelphia thanks to the pressure gradient tightening up from New England right down the mid-Atlantic coast. We've got this wicked west wind, 15 to 25 miles per hour tomorrow sustained, but winds could gust at times to 45 miles per hour. Isolated gusts to 50 miles an hour possible, especially along the coast. Those winds are strong enough to cause sporadic power outages across the region, and the best threat for those 50-mile-per-hour winds down the shore tomorrow. So that's going to make it feel brutally cold overnight and into tomorrow morning. By 2 a.m., it feels like the teens. When you wake up tomorrow morning, it still feels like 16 degrees at 8 a.m. And even at the height of the afternoon, even with sunshine, it's not going to feel any better than the low 20s at 3 o'clock. So basically tomorrow, if you look at the temperature on your car, look at the temperature on your phone, you can cut it in half, and that's what it's going to feel like. So full winter gear. You need the whole 9 yards tomorrow, Thursday as well. Friday, you can possibly get away with just the winter coat, maybe the hat or gloves and not both. But the next 2 days, make sure you are layered to the max. Overnight, mostly cloudy and blustery at 31 degrees. Tomorrow is partly sunny, very windy. Again, that wind advisory begins at 6 a.m. for much of the region. We'll keep it cold but dry through Friday evening. That's when rain showers may arrive, and then Saturday we'll see some rain, especially late in the day. But it is milder for the weekend, first weekend of December, and looks like we could be in the 60s on Sunday with at least the chance for a little sun, maybe a shower, but we'll take 60s after feeling like low 20s all day tomorrow.
Won't we though?
Sure.
Won't we though?
Shall.